This is the new temporary Tillamook cheese factory tour that just started this year. I did one a year ago, but it was in a different building. This is a temporary facility while they're remodeling, but it should be pretty well modeled after this one. Tillamook Cheese Factory in Tillamook, Oregon. It is completely different than the video I did last year. Like I said, this is in a new facility. They're renovating, but most of this will carry over into the new facility. It's farmer owned. It's big up here in the Pacific Northwest. This is her feed tractor and trailer. Really nice tour compared to last year. This would be a milking parlor. They use these, put on the udders, and milk the cows. I don't see it on the picture up here, but these go on the udders and it milks it out.
I think I'm becoming a vampire. I really hate the sun. This is why I prefer.
You get a chance to look up on YouTube on a rotary cow milker. It's a pretty neat thing.
I'm gonna be here once, 1 year on. It's just me.
Heidi and the boys got a nasty sunburn. Heidi's at the 2nd degree burn from being out there on the beach. Lots of novelties. Of course, plenty of cheeses, yogurts, ice creams, and stuff. They sell. And then they have a cheese tasting area, which is what we're waiting in line for. And cheese sampling areas. Usually it's bigger than this, but like I said, they're under renovation. There were 2 sides, and I think there was 7 or 8 cheeses on each side. There's a little gift shop. And there's our new building that's opening in the summer of 18. Alright guys, thanks for watching.